Hi, I'm Shazeba Baskambar. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a custom main menu button to the Mission Planner's main panel. We program that custom main menu button to open a form, and this exercise we are going to perform. First of all, we take out the menu strip from the panel so we can work on it and we can add our custom button. After taking out the menu strip, we are going to copy the tool strip button, and after that we are going to the paste the tool strip button so we can get our new tool strip button. Tool strip button is not available in the toolbox and there is a version problem. But I recommend that we just copy and paste the tool strip button so it run very well, and after that we can change its properties according to our need. So as you can see, I just add our own icon and I'm going to rename that tool script button. I just rename this button as UAS doctoral tech. After adjusting the properties as you required, after adding the button, just adjust the menu strip back into the panel and docking property field select, so it will automatically adjust with the panel properties. After placing the carefully, we are going to compile the mission planner. As you can see, our mission planner is successfully compiled and our additional custom button is appeared in the mission planner as we programmed. The next phase is adding the form. The form will be appear by pressing tool strip button that we added before. We do same procedure as we did before. By double clicking on the tool strip button, automatically its function created. We write the code to open the form inside. For this purpose, I am going to create form in GCS views. The creating a form I told before in previous videos. I follow that same procedure. I added a form with the name of my testing form. After creating the form, I am going to call this form. After completing the code, I am going to readjust the menu strip inside the panel again. The same procedure will be revised. After adjusting the menu strip, I am going to compile the mission planner. As you can see, the machine planner successfully compiled. Now it's time to check the reality. Now I'm going to test our toolstrip button. So congratulations, you have done. Thank you for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you very much.